Welcome back to RunmanReCords design. Today we show you industrial kitchen design ideas. Efficiency, durability and style. Imagine a kitchen where every tool has its place. Picture strong materials built to last, handling even the busiest meal preps. That's the core appeal of industrial kitchen design, once found only in restaurants and factories. This raw and practical style now brightens homes everywhere. It brings a cool, no-nonsense look to any space. It's about more than just aesthetics. It's a note, history and honest work. This style goes way deeper than just how it looks. Industrial design for kitchens is all about real usefulness. Think tough materials and smooth workflows. In commercial settings, this means kitchens that can take a beating and keep on cooking. For homes, it means a space that works hard and looks great doing it. You need robust materials and smart layouts for real kitchen performance. Understanding the industrial aesthetic, core elements. The look of an industrial kitchen starts with its foundational parts. It draws heavily from old factories and workshops. This style shows off materials often hidden in other designs. Materials raw and resilient. Industrial kitchens showcase materials in their most honest form. They pick elements known for their strength and long life. What you see often tells a story. Exposed brick walls bring warmth and texture. They also help soak up sound, making a lively kitchen a bit quieter. Concrete countertops and flooring offer great durability. Their smooth, seamless look gives a modern touch. Stainless steel is a star here, especially in commercial spaces. It's super hygienic, handles heat well, and reflects light beautifully. Reclaimed wood adds deep character. It provides a warm contrast to harder, colder materials, and it's a sustainable choice. Exposed metal, like pipes or ductwork, becomes part of the decor. Black iron and galvanized steel show off the building's skeleton. Color palette, grounded and gritty. The colors in industrial kitchens are usually calm and earthy. They let the materials speak for themselves. You won't find many bright, flashy shades here. A natural base of grays, blacks, whites, and browns forms the backbone. These colors create a stable, clean backdrop. You can add a few accent colors for a little zing. Deep blues, forest greens, or even bright reds and oranges can break up the neutrals. Don't forget the natural colors from the materials themselves. The deep rust of brick or the cool gray of concrete add their own rich tones. Conclusion: industrial kitchen design beautifully combines raw aesthetics with robust practicality. It celebrates strong materials and efficient layouts. From the tough elegance of exposed brick to the gleam of stainless steel, this style offers enduring durability. It creates spaces that work hard and look effortlessly full. Whether you're planning a busy commercial kitchen or a stylish residential hub, industrial design offers a timeless and highly practical approach. It helps you craft a kitchen that's built to last and ready for anything. Thanks for watching. If you liked the industrial kitchen design ideas, don't forget to share with your friends. You watched the design and decor channel RunmanReCords Design.